morning to everyone. Today we are here to continue chapter 9 of GSP. Last day we have listened up to implied tense and today we will study about the screw. This is also a simple machine about which we will study today. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder that has a sharp pointed end. This is also an inclined plane. If we talk in simple terms, what is screw? Screw is an inclined plane which is wrapped around a cylinder that has a sharp pointed end. And it is one of the most commonly used mechanical devices in the world. Some screws are used to lower and raise things. Due to spiral grooves, they are also used to hold objects together. For example, we find the screw on bottle caps, car jacks, etc. Now we will study about the next simple machine, that's wedge. Wedge is a simple machine that is used to separate two objects or portions of objects through the application of force. A wedge is made up of two inclined planes. Wedge is made up of the two inclined planes. Wedge is made up of two inclined planes. So, this is wedge. It is used to separate two objects or portion of objects through the application of the force. These planes meet and form a sharp edge. This edge can split things apart. An example of the wedge is X9 plane. These are used to separate the two things or cut the things. One activity is given here. We have to take two bread slices and a knife. And we will try to separate the hard outer edge using our hands. We will see that it will take more time than if we use with a knife. Why? Because knife is a simple machine and it makes our work easy. Now we will study about the another type of simple machine, that is wheel and axle. Wheel and axle. And wheel and axle together make up a simple machine. An axle or rod is connected through the center of a wheel. Force can be applied to either the axle or the wheel to get rotation. It allows heavy objects to be moved easily. Screwdriver, spinning top, bicycle wheel and car steering are some examples of this wheel and axle. Now, let's study about the pulley. Pulley is a machine. It consists of a grooved wheel with a rope round it. It consists of a grooved wheel with a rope round it. And it is a machine used to lift up load straight up. It is used for lifting a load straight up. A grooved wheel is fixed to a support high up. This grooved wheel is fixed to the support high up and a rope goes round the wheel. The load is fixed to one end of a rope and the effort is applied downwards. Once again I will tell you the positions where the things are kept. A grooved wheel is fixed to a rope and that is a grooved wheel is fixed to a support high up. A rope goes round the wheel and the load is fixed to one end Once again, I will tell you the example of this pulley. Flag on a flagpole, drawing water from a well, workers loading goods in a crane. Pulleys can be fixed or movable. A fixed pulley uses a single wheel like on wells or flagpoles. It can change the direction of the force but reduces the amount of force. A movable pulley has a number of wheels like cranes or sailing boats, and it reduces the effort used to pull load. So, if anyone asks you what is the use of the pulleys or what are the applications of the pulleys? First one, this pulley is used to lift the load straight up, and further it reduces the efforts used to pull the load. Now we have completed this chapter and we have completed the syllabus of half-yearly exam. Chapter 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are the syllabus of the half-yearly exams. We have completed that. Yesterday I have sent the video of this chapter, chapter 9. Yesterday I have sent in the group, no? And we will discuss the exercise today. Chapter 9, first exercise is tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. First question, one figure is given. The force shown in the picture is called, three options we have. This is the picture. See? Gravitational, magnetic, electrostatic. So which force is shown here? So for this, first one is magnetic force. Which force? Magnetic force is shown here. In the second question, what is that? The force of friction is dash on smooth surface. The force of friction is less on the smooth surface. The force of friction is less on the smooth surface. For the third question, oil and grease are called lubricants. What they are called? Lubricants. Oil and grease are called lubricants. Then the question number 4. The fixed point on which the lever moves is called fulcrum. The fixed point on which the lever moves is called the fulcrum. Now the fifth question. The ability to do work is defined as, we have three options here, energy, force and work. And the ability to do work is defined as energy. These are the answers for the first exercise. Yesterday I had sent the PDF, but my dear students, you need to match it once again from the board. First one, magnetic. Second one, lush. Third one, lubricants. Fourth one, fulcrum. And the fifth one is energy. Fifth one is energy. Clear to everyone? Now, let's see exercise B. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. The force exerted by a charged body on another charged or uncharged body is known as dash force. The force exerted by a charged body on another charged or uncharged body is known as electrostatic force. What is that? Electrostatic force. Electrostatic force. Now for the second question. A dash can make a stationary object move. The answer is a force. work is said to be done when a force moves an object in the desired direction. Now, question number 4. Dash makes machines less efficient. Friction. Friction makes the machines less efficient. Friction makes the machines less efficient. 5th question. A screw is a dash plane wrapped around a cylinder that has a sharp pointed end. So a screw is called, now only I told you, screw is an inclined plane. Screw is an inclined plane. I have already sent the PDF of these exercises. I hope all of you have done it in the book. But my dear students, kindly match it with board so you can check the spellings and everything properly. Now, next exercise. Exercise 3. Give 2 examples of each of the following. Give 2 examples of each of the following. First one, force. You can write any 2 forces. What I have written here, electrostatic and gravitational. 2 examples we have to write. Electrostatic and gravitational. Electrostatic and gravitational. Now for the question number 2. For question number 2, energy, kinetic and potential. Kinetic and potential energy. Kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy and potential energy. Question number 3. Question number 3 is simple machine. Any 2 simple machines you can write. Lever and screw. Lever and screw. Lever and screw. Question number 4. Second order lever. Second order lever. Wheelbarrow. And bottle opener. Wheelbarrow and bottle opener. 5th question. 5th question is belt. Axe and knife. Axe and knife. These are the answers for exercise C. These are the answers for the exercise C. I hope all of you have done it properly and correctly. Because last day I have sent the answers in form of PDF and you have done it. So I am going to clean the board. Okay. If anyone wants to take the screenshot, can take. I am getting aside. Or you can pause the video and write if you want. Now, let's discuss exercise D. Exercise D, we have to classify. Classify the following according to the categories given below. 3 categories are given. First one, lever. Second one, inclined cloth. This 3 comes under this category, liver. Then veg, blood and eggs. Blood and eggs. Veg, blood and eggs. And in inclined plane, ram, slide, screw, ram, slide, screw. Now wheel and action. In wheel and action, bicycle wheel and whistle. Bicycle wheel and whistle. This comes under the category of this wheel and action. This is about the exercise tip. This also I have sent yesterday. I hope all of you have done it. Now, exercising. Identify the type of simple machines related to the following tools. In the first one, screw. Second one, lever. Third one, wedge. And the fourth one is screw. I have given you this as homework, but I am telling the answer now. So, you have to hear properly. Exercise E, you have to hear properly. This was your homework. No? Yesterday I gave you. In the PDF I have given it as homework. Now I am writing the answer for that. Screw. Then lever. 4 figures are given and you have to name it in the book itself. Lever. Then wedge. And screw. Again the screw. These are the answers for the exercise E. I have given you homework, but I am telling the name. Screw, lever, wedge and screw. This is the answer for the exercise E, which I gave you yesterday as homework. So all of you match it whether you have done correctly or not. If you have not done correctly, make it correct. Now, exercise F. Which type of force is used to do the following? First one, to separate a mixture of iron and sawdust. So, what is used to separate that? Magnetic force. Magnetic force. Now, for question number 2. To purify air by chimneys, electrostatic force. Electrostatic force. And now question number 3. To work, frictional force. To work, frictional force. To work, what we need? Frictional force. And exercise G is answer the following, which already I had given in the PDF. You can write from there. And H, any 3 simple machines like knife, axe, blade. So many simple machines are given in a book, no? You can draw any 3. And you have to draw the figure in the notebook, fair notebook. That was your homework. I hope all of you have written it and done it. Lastly, you got the PDF also. You have completed it, no? So, now our syllabus is completed. Chapter 9, up to chapter 9 in the half-yearly exam it will come. We have completed the syllabus. You can submit your copy in the office after completing it. Okay? Thank you, class.